Imagine a future where Europe no longer depends on American fighter jets like the F-35. A future where European nations control their own air dominance with a jet built on their own terms. That's exactly the vision behind what many are calling the Super Eurofighter Typhoon. Today, let's break down what this new upgrade program really is, why Europe is suddenly pushing hard for it, and whether it can actually stand up against the F-35. For years, the United States has dominated the high-end fighter jet market with the F-35. Countries around the world, including many in Europe, ordered it in huge numbers. But there's a hidden catch. Buying an F-35 means long-term dependence on the U.S. maintenance, software updates, spare parts, missiles. Everything flows through American systems. This creates a strategic dependency, and after multiple geopolitical tensions, European countries have started asking, why should our air power depend on Washington's permission? And that's where the upgraded Eurofighter Typhoon story begins. The Eurofighter Typhoon you know today is a powerful 4.5 generation jet. Fast, agile, perfect for dogfights. But warfare has changed. Today it's not just about speed or missiles. It's about data, network warfare, electronic jamming, AI-assisted targeting, and drone integration. So instead of replacing the Typhoon entirely, Europe has decided to evolve it into a smarter, digital-age combat platform. This upgrade is called MLU, Midlife Upgrade, and the vision is simple. Don't build an entirely new jet right now. Instead, keep upgrading Typhoon step by step with next-gen sensors, electronics, and drone connectivity. Under this upgrade plan, Typhoon will receive new radar systems capable of tracking stealth aircraft electronic warfare suites to jam enemy missiles and radars, AI-assisted data fusion. Just like the F-35's smart cockpit ability to command drones mid-air, acting as a control hub in the sky, faster onboard computers to handle modern digital warfare. In simple words, the Typhoon may not become fully stealth like the F-35, but it will become a network brain, coordinating drones, sharing target data, and dominating the air from distance. This is not just a military upgrade, it's an industrial survival plan. European factories currently build around 14 Typhoons a year. With the upgrade plan and new exports, they aim to increase production to 30 jets per year, creating thousands of jobs and keeping Europe's defense industry alive. Countries like Germany, Italy, Spain, and even Turkey, Poland, Austria, and Saudi Arabia are being targeted as potential buyers. This is also a message to the U.S. Europe is capable of building world-class fighter jets, and we don't have to rely on F-35 forever. Let's be realistic. The F-35 still has a massive edge in stealth technology, and in deep penetration missions into enemy airspace, stealth matters. So no, the upgraded Typhoon won't completely replace the F-35 in its core stealth strike role. But in air dominance, drone networking, electronic warfare, and defensive air control over Europe, the Super Typhoon could be cheaper, locally controlled, and extremely capable. It's not meant to be a replacement, it's meant to be Europe's independent alternative. So, what does this mean for the future? Think of the Super Eurofighter Typhoon as Europe's bridge to sixth-generation fighters. A smart, connected platform that will train pilots, test drone control systems, and prepare Europe for next-gen air warfare. Whether it defeats the F-35 or not doesn't matter. What matters is control, sovereignty, and independence in the skies. Let me know if you want a F-35 versus Super Typhoon comparison chart or a thumbnail title idea for YouTube. I can make it for you right away.